Secret number 2 to add excitement to your life is to overcome your gremlins of fear. I know fear is such a big thing and many people are paralyzed by fear. Now, I call fear and I liken it to a gremlin because back in World War II, the British airmen used the term gremlins, and it was this imaginary creature no one has ever seen, just like fear, that would cause mayhem and madness into their aircraft. No matter how clean an aircraft or how perfect an aircraft was given to them by the mechanics, there was always some monkey wrench thrown into the situation. And just like fear, that's how gremlins can control and paralyze your life. They stop you from doing the things you want. They have you fantasizing in reverse. Instead of fantasizing about good things, you fantasize about the worst possible outcome. So the secret to overcoming fear is to just stay in the present. You know, a lot of times when you're afraid, you're thinking about things in the future, or you're thinking about things in the past, which you can't go back to unless you have a time machine. Send me an email. But fear is, you can overcome it by staying in the present, stay in the now. I know you've heard a gift is the present, so remember that. Stay present, stay conscious. Don't think about the future, don't think about the past. Stay right here, and that's how you overcome your gremlin of fear.